Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show you in this quick video how you can cancel Argos order. So guys, go to this website, do help Argos center as you can see here, and follow this simple step to cancel your order, guys. And if you are shopping and your Argos, as you can see here, you can cancel easily by following these steps and follow these easy steps. For example, you purchase this product, guys. What you can do to cancel your order, just follow these steps. Log into your account and locate your order you want to cancel, for example this order. And after that, what you have to do, click cancel. I cancel order link, and you will be clicking view order details and click order link. You will be visible and you are able to cancel the order. And please note, if you are wanting to cancel order using Argos app, this will show as a cancel my order button. This is mean, guys, you find the bottle and your app, find bottle cancel, and after click on see details order. And after that, guys, go to here the order history section and you will able to be cancelled. And after that, guys, follow this easy steps, steps and these notes to cancel order. And you can calling this number, guys, you can help you this number to cancel your order easily. I hope, guys, this video helpful for you. See you on another video. So, and you don't cancel your direct order and keep making payment until your refund action. This is how I mean, guys.